Welcome to Preyo Phonie, where we make tech simple and practical for everyone. Struggling to find a specific Snapchat filter quickly? Today I'll show you how to search and discover filters using the Lens Explorer tool. Step 1. Open Lens Explorer. Open the Snapchat app and tap the Lens Explorer icon in the bottom right corner. You can also swipe all the way right in the filter carousel to access it. Step 2. Browse filter categories. Explore the For You tab to see recommended and trending filters. You can also check recents and categories like face, world, music, and creators. Step 3. Search for a filter. Tap the search bar at the top and type the filter name. This helps you quickly find exactly what you're looking for. Before we dive further, hit that subscribe button to stay ahead with the latest tech tips and tricks. Step 4. Preview and use filters. Tap a filter from the results to preview it instantly. Capture a photo or video, or go back to explore more options. Step 5. Save favorite filters. Tap Favorite to save filters you like for quick access later. This makes it easier to reuse your favorite effects anytime. And that's it. Now you know how to search and find Snapchat filters bishula. Discover new effects and make your snaps more creative than ever. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more smart step-by-step tech tutorials every day.